Good morning. So I'm out today in the Peak District, come along with Steve Stain. Parked up at the Surprise View car park. I'm going to head over down towards Bolehill Quarry and Padley Gorge. It's a prediction for a bit of fog this morning. In fact, driving into the car park, we noticed there's quite a thick fog, but as you sort of descended to the car park, that fog has completely dissipated. So hopefully it's kind of rolling through and we might get some opportunity for some fog in the woodland down there. So yeah, come along on the journey and I'll show you what we can find. All right, so I just moved on from the car park. About to head down into Bolehill Quarry, just down this path here. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. But yeah, the fog is looking really good. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Hopefully it sticks around for a little while. We can get some decent photos. Yeah, I'll give you an update when we get down there. So come down into the main part of Bolehill Quarry now, and it's a beautiful morning. Absolutely stunning. Fog is just nice, just over here with these silver birch. Yeah, it's a bit of a challenge to find a composition because there's just so many trees. So what I'm really looking for is just some interesting looking trees that have got a bit of separation. Example is some of these here. It's like five silver birch, but they're just nicely separated. So I might have a go at that one in a moment's time. But yeah, really, I just think I need to walk around, get the camera out, and yeah, see what I can find. So I'm gonna try this one in a second and give you an update. I've come across this scene here with these silver birch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, which I really like. I've spent probably the past 15 minutes trying to find a composition. I'm still working on it. The problem I've got is I've got a bit of, depending if I move a little bit to the left or to the right, for example, I'm getting some interaction between the trees that I don't really want. I want to try and have some separation where possible. So I'm going to continue to work this for a little bit. I do feel there's a photo here, and yeah, let you know if I find anything that works. So I think I've got a shot that works. Using kind of these 5 main silver birch trees. I've got this one as the foreground, and there's sort of one over there, and these ones over here, and obviously the rest in the background. And then just on the right hand side, yeah, your right hand side here, there's kind of some silver birch kind of leaning in to bring your eyes into the scene. I've been really careful. I didn't put my camera on the tripod until I kind of found the composition that I was looking for. So just making tiny, minute movements with the camera to try and get some separation between the branches. Trying to, you know, not create any kind of pressure points, if you like, within the photo. Yeah, haven't managed that entirely. It was kind of very difficult to do. But yeah, just with the fog that we've got, I think we might have just got away with it. But I won't really know until I get back on the PC. It's difficult to tell on the back of the camera. But no, I really like this shot. What's really happening is there's kind of an opening in the canopy over here, which is just letting in some nice, soft morning light. I think this is going to be a really nice photo. So if it's any good, I'll pop it on the screen. Gonna pop up and just see what other compositions I can find. There's some wild campers over there. Steve's gone off somewhere, I'm not sure where. But yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful morning. And yeah, looking forward to see what else I can find. So yeah, I just thought I'd get the drone up and have a little fly around while the fog was here. Yeah, crashed the drone. I think it will live to fight another day. I think I've just broke a propeller, but you want the shot, sometimes you've got to take the pain. So anyway, the fog's now cleared from this area, so I have no idea where Steve's gone, but the fog seems to be hanging over sort of the more Padley Gorge area, so I'm going to head over there and see if there's some more shots to be found in Padley Gorge, once I found Steve, that is. Anyway, I'm going to move on and I'll give you an update as we go along. Alright, so we've come down from Bolehill Quarry now into, I guess, what's the start of Padley Gorge. And the change and the contrast between going from Bolehill to Padley Gorge is quite dramatic. So you've gone from a massive, basically, field of silver birch into this massive field of gnarly, twisted oaks with this beautiful green moss on it. It's really stunning. I'm going to moan like most photographers do, but I just love a bit more fog, to be honest. But yeah, gonna walk around here, see what we can find. There's some real interesting characters. Lovely big green mossy wall over here as well, so might be able to do something with that, maybe like a leading line. So yeah, just gonna spend a bit of time around here, take my time. The tripod is staying put for now. Just gonna walk around with the camera, try and find something, and only at that point I'll look to set the tripod up. So come along with me and we'll see what we can find. Okay, couldn't find anything in that particular part of Padley Gorge. So we'll come into Lawrence Field, just on the edge of these silver birches here. Yeah, I'm struggling to find compositions, and the fog seems to be sort of hanging over that way and hanging down in Padley Gorge itself, but not here. This is a really beautiful area, but I do think it needs some fog to really work properly, or just something to bring it to life. But I'm going to carry on down this way a little bit and see what we can find up towards the top end of Padley Gorge. Okay, so got another shot here. I don't think it's going to work, but yeah, I thought I'd give it a go anyway. What really drew me to this was this big rock and this little silver birch here. I think we're getting a little bit of separation with just a bit of rolling fog through the back, but I think we might have missed the best of it. So not sure if this is going to work, but we'll give it a go anyway. I'm thinking of a square crop because I'm not really getting any interest on the left or right of the seam. So just a nice simple square crop, tree, rock, and a slightly misty background. See how that works. If it's any good, I'll pop it up. But yeah, struggling a bit now. The fog is really starting to lift, the sun's starting to burn through, so might be heading towards the end of the morning. Really, I've only got one photo this morning, I think, so far that's, going to be any good. But it is what it is. I'm just trying to sort of teach myself to be a bit more considerate of my photography, just slow things down, just take it in and, work a shot more than just going in and sort of all guns blazing kind of thing. So anyway, we're going to head up now to the top of Padley Gorge, see if there's anything there. Not too hopeful, but we'll see. Yeah, I'll give you an update as we go along. Okay, so I've got set up on another shot here. The fog is pretty much all but gone now. So I'm trying to look for other compositions that might work. So came across these old mill wheels that have been left behind when the quarry finished basically. And I've got one here, another one just here. And then there's a set of, well, this silver birch tree just on the right hand side. What I'm doing is I'm using the 14mm lens, so really, really wide. Sort of hunkering, looking down at these mill wheels. They're really the star of the show, if you like, in this photo. And then sort of leading through to this silver birch here, and I'm purposely pointing right down just to make sure there's no sky in the photo. I'm not sure if it's going to work. It's not really my forte, but I'll give it a go and see how it works out. Just another thing to mention as well, what I'm also doing is just next to this this mill wheel is some grasses, and they're acting as like a nice leading line into the photo. So I think it might work. I don't think it's going to be a portfolio level shot, for example, but just a nice photo, depicting some of the history of the Peak District. So yeah, I've taken this one on 40mm. I did another one on 24mm as well, using just one of the millstones. I'll put both of them up. Let me know what you think in the comments, which one you prefer. But anyway, yeah, not sure what we're doing now. I'm going to head back out into the woods, I think. See if I find more compositions. But yeah, we're pretty much done for the day. So let's see what else we can find anyway. And I'll give you an update soon. Okay, so I've come a bit further down Padley Gorge now. Steve's seen some, what we believe to be jaybirds, about 4 of them just flying around, so he's trying to get a photo of those. But woodland wise, I think we're done for the morning. If I might stick the new long lens on and see if I can actually get a photo of these jays. I'm not a wildlife photographer by any stretch of the imagination, so yeah, don't expect anything good. But yeah, gonna try and get those, and yeah, if I get anything, I'll put it on the screen. So I think I'm gonna make my way back to the car, and yeah, if I get anything on the way back, I'll give you an update. Okay, so made it back to the car now. Didn't manage to get anything with those jaybirds or any other photography on the way back, but it's been a good morning. Only got a couple of photos, but yeah, that's just the way it is sometimes. So yeah, as I say, that's me done for today. I think Steve's had a good day too, showed him somewhere new that he's not been to before. Somewhere I'm definitely coming back when it's a bit more foggy. Will really suit the area. So anyway, just want to say thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, with that, I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you soon.